everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. I'm here to show you this gorgeous kind of like summer festival style. Let's get going. I'm going to start off by just separating the hair, leaving some hair over the ear. And we're going to take that all the way up and same on the other side. So just clipping that hair out of the way. And popping this into a little low ponytail for now. Releasing that hair down. So we're going to go straight down the centre, like so. And then just going to split this into two. So we're starting with this right hand section here. And I'm just going to take a front section of hair and leave that out. And then this section here, I'm just going to pop into a ponytail. So you're just going to pop this into a ponytail. Like so. So with this section here at the front, all you're going to do is break it into three and just do an ordinary braid for me. You're going to stop halfway and just mess this up. So just pulling on the sides, the messier the better. And now you're going to take this ponytail here, lift it up, take these two sections of the braids, pinch them together and tie a little elastic. Tighten that up and let that ponytail just come through. So we're breaking it into two. We're going to put a ponytail in this section here, breaking it into three. You could also do a much more neat version of this, you know, with kind of like a wax spray. Make it all like, don't pull it out as much, make it kind of just that neater, smoother version. So again, once you finish that braids, don't forget to tighten it and then tighten that. So again, slicing these two in half. So that front piece just comes away there. This piece goes into a little pony. So this is what it looks like from the front. If Taylor can just pop her head down so you can really see all that detail there. It looks like kind of little Dutch braids, but it's not. It's super easy. Chin up for me, babes. And then I'll just give you a little side angle view. So that's the side. And then if you have got any highlights, you can see all those highlights all running through the back there. But I'm thinking festival or day out in the summer, that'll stay in all day. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.